Growing a Discord server is really hard, and I know this from experience. There's a lot of ways to mess it up and not a lot of ways to get it right. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how not to grow your Discord server. If you guys do enjoy the video today, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Subscribing really does support the channel. We're trying to grow to be huge on YouTube, so if you want to support me, make sure to subscribe down below, and let's get right into the video, boys. Tip number 1, money giveaways. You shouldn't be doing things like Discord Nitro giveaways or game giveaways or anything that involves money on Discord. Let me explain this with an example. We got 2 Discord servers here, one with 100 members, one with 1,000. The thing about them is that they have the exact same activity, 500 messages a month for both of them. But the problem is, this Discord server right here spends $120 a year on giveaways. $120 a year doesn't sound like a lot, but then when you realize they could have put that into other things like emotes, content for YouTube or Twitch, logos for the Discord, tons of other things that would have helped the Discord out a lot, and they could have grew it like a normal Discord server and made it a lot more active. With that 1,000 members, they could have easily got 100,000 messages a month if it's a super active Discord. So your Discord server should be more like this Discord server, just because that has a better community. People aren't just there for the giveaways, they're there for the community itself. If you do a lot of giveaways, people are just gonna join for the giveaways. So if you do a lot of giveaways, people are there just for the money instead of for your community. So when you end those giveaways, people are just gonna start leaving and they're gonna go back to step 1 instead of this Discord server where it started at step 1, it just keeps climbing up instead of going down. Tip number 2, don't do partnerships on Discord. Partnerships are what 2 Discord server owners do when they shout each other out in their Discord servers. I would understand if you guys did a collab on a YouTube video or something, because that makes sense. But usually it's just them shouting each other out in each of their Discord servers. You shouldn't do this because most of you do this a lot. People are just gonna realize you just want members. And if you're adding everyone, mostly some of your loyal members are just gonna start leaving your Discord, realizing that you're not gonna put in the work to get these members. You're just gonna try getting them really easily. So instead of doing partnerships on Discord, maybe you should do collabs with those Discord server owners. Cause maybe with the partnerships, you might gain 15 members, but with a YouTube video or Twitch content, if the video on YouTube goes viral, then you'll easily gain 1,000 members. And it's a lot better and it looks more professional than just saying, hey guys, join this Discord server for this. It's just better, looks cleaner, and makes you look like a professional Discord server owner. Number 3, don't act like people owe you stuff. Don't act like people owe you stuff because no one owes you anything if you're trying to make something like a giant community. No one owes you anything. Try putting as much work into it as you can and be grateful for the stuff you have. Because if you aren't, you're keeping a mindset that people owe you stuff because of your community, you're not going to go anywhere. But if you keep a mindset like this isn't enough, I got to grow more, and you start creating more content, that's a great mindset. You're trying to push yourself to get out there more. But if you act like people owe you stuff, you're not going to get big anytime soon. Tip number 4, don't waste money. So what I mean by don't waste money is don't waste money for, let's say, logos, emotes, animated logo, tons of things. Let me use an example. Let's say you have $100 you just got paid out by Twitch. Let me use my own payments for making this. So I spent $10 on emotes for 10 emotes. So now I'm at $90. Then I spent $10 on a Discord logo. Now I'm at $80. And then I spent $0 on an animated logo. Now I'm at $80. So I just gained 11 things from my Discord server and I only spent $20. I know a lot of people who would have $100 and would only get half of that, and it would look even worse than the stuff I got. You should try saving as much money as you can so you can spend it later to improve stuff, things like YouTube content or even Twitch content. Doing this will help you improve a lot of your content. If you're trying to post on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, anything, it will just help you improve your content, get more people in your Discord, get your YouTube videos out there, and get more people chatting and being in your Discord server. My last and final tip number 5, don't rush growing a Discord server. Don't rush in to trying to be a giant Discord server owner. Growing a Discord takes time, months, even years to become a giant Discord server owner. And then taking time is good. You learn things on the way to becoming a big server owner. You shouldn't be mad that it's taking you a year that someone took 8 months to do. It takes time. If you take a year, you've learned more in a year than the 8-month person does. You know more than him. So you shouldn't be mad if it's taking you a long time. You should be actually happy because you're learning more things along the way. This also helps with being grateful for everything you have in your Discord server. You start to learn that if you create more content, better content, you'll grow more, and it makes you want to push yourself even harder to get up there with the big Discord server owners. Hope you guys enjoyed the video for today. If you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Subscribing really does support the channel. If you stop liking the content, you could just unsubscribe from the channel, but subscribing really does support the channel. Make sure to also follow me on Twitch. I stream on Twitch every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We always chill in there, play games. We always vibing. So if you got any questions you want to ask and I'm not in the Discord, hit up my stream. Also, if you want to join my Discord, we're always vibing in the Discord. We usually do movie nights on Tuesdays to Thursdays at 6 p.m. EST. So you want to come join one? We're usually watching some movies, having fun, just joking around. Link to that also is down in the description below. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, boys, and peace out.